Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Composition writing. Discipline. Discipline means training to act in accordance with rules. It is the principle of obedience and the spirit maintaining of order. It regulates human activities and conduct. It makes a man obey the rules and mold his life according to law and order. It is a noble virtue and the key to success. Discipline plays an important role in every walk of life. It prevents a man from doing whatever he likes. It strengthens law and order in society. In order to keep peace in the society, discipline is must. For want of discipline, a home cannot be a real home, a society cannot be a peaceful society, a country cannot function well, and a nation cannot be a strong and progressive one. In fact, in our home, in society, and everywhere in this world, discipline brings order. The earth, the moon, and the stars move around the sun according to certain rules. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west every day. The sun shines by day and the moon peeps at night. It is hot in summer and cold in winter. Even the lower animals are disciplined. The life of the bee in a hive is very disciplined. Ants are also disciplined. Thus all things go on with discipline. Discipline is absolutely necessary in schools, colleges, and other educational institutions. No educational institutions can run and do well without discipline. Similarly, the students cannot learn anything good if they do not obey the rules of their institutions. Discipline is followed in games and sports. The army needs discipline. It is part and parcel in the army. Without discipline, the army is a rabble. Discipline is the keynote of all success. It makes our life smooth, pleasant, and worth living. So, all of us should be the performer of discipline from the very beginning of life.